How's y'all's day going? It's raining. Do you hear that rain hitting the roof? I know you can hardly see me, but listen to the rain hitting the roof. Mm. I'm stuck at base camp because when it rains, my mama won't let me out of the backyard because Vivian Abrams, the van here, she put ruts in her yard. Mama ain't having that. So I got some crap. I need to get on in the cabin slash storage building because there's a sewing machine in there and I got some crafts I want to work on. I want to work on my bathroom curtain for in here. And then my sister gave me some t-shirts to alter. Listen to the rain. Come down, every blessing to my heart to sing like. Share the journey, folks.